Top court will be hearing the petition against the CAA today. Multiple petitions have been filed against the CAA. To be precise, 237 combined anti-CAA petitions will be heard by a three-judge bench, including the Chief Justice of India. The Supreme Court will hear that batch of 237 petitions concerning the Citizenship Amendment Act and the recently notified Citizenship Rules 2024. The pleas will be heard by that bench. Like we mentioned, the Chief Justice of India will be, hearing those pleas as well. So we have Sunil with us. Sunil, over 200 petitions to be taken up in the Supreme Court. What time is this case coming up?
So it's listed number 11 in the court number 1, where the Chief Justice of India is there. So in the first half of this morning, you will be able to really get an overview of what were the objections. 237, as you rightly pointed out, petitions that have been challenging the CAA. That is already admitted, and it's something that has far-reaching consequences, because there are many who fear that minorities are being discriminated. Can you give citizenship based on religion? The Home Minister has made it clear that, saying that under the Act, there can be reasonable classification. Whether this reasonable classification can justify a decision on discriminating on basis of religion to grant citizenship. So that's the critical aspect. There have been huge agitations, as you're well aware, after the CAA was passed in 2019, and subsequently it had been kept on, even though it was passed in Parliament. The rules were never notified, but ahead of elections, the Home Ministry finally notified it, as the opposition alleged. It's a bid to polarize the society. It's in this context we'll have to wait and see, because the final arbiter in these matters is the Supreme Court. Whether they can stay it, whether they will look at it in its entirety. The petition today is to stay the rules and the Act in itself. So it's going to be a big legal battle. We'll wait and see how the Supreme Court decides on this important issue.
Right. Thank you so much, Sunil, for joining us with all those details. We will keep coming back to you for more on that.